On the radar, 2023. 6GOD, my broski 2C. Some madness and badness. Combination. Yeah. Hey. Grr. On morning side, got no stick in the ride. If I take flicks with the guys, I gotta put emojis over like 3 faces.
Hi guys, welcome to another vlog.
I didn't fit it, but I rock it like a baby in the car. I put the water in the ocean in the city that I'm from.
You can bank on it. You can put 100.
You guys, I am so late right now and I still can't decide. So this is my feet. Right? So it looks so simple, yeah, even if the earrings make it all extra. So I feel like adding this. Oh, I'm not quite sure. Which one are you guys feeling? I'm thinking I might go for it. Let me give you guys good lighting. I think it's nice, right? It's nice.
Cramp on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo.
Guys, so we're here at Jenny's room, right? Very early.
And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he come out us. No go bamboo. As that day comes, as I go on, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbor.
The fact that, hi guys, the fact that I have a tripod but I still drop my phone in crazy places to film is ridiculous. I'm having a headache. The concert yesterday was nice and I am still tired. I have a lot of things to do. As you guys noticed, I was renovating my room. I have not updated you guys. I have not fully talked to you guys, and it's because of storage space. And I'm so sorry. I feel like I'll be giving voiceovers in this vlog because storage space is ridiculous. So I have to be very, 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 very cautious and very, very smart with it. So today I want to check curtains. I want to pick up makeup for my mom. I want to do a couple of things. And it's going to be a busy day. So you guys, I'll just show you clips and yeah.
This one I bet you me, I no get time. Dada cover my face, calling me Abuja. Biggie man wait to be Abuja. What's it coming? Chihuahua, all depending. They get them, ride the boat. I know we die for nothing. What's it coming? Chihuahua, all depending. They get them, ride the boat. I know we die. Make you do say anything when you do, they must commend it. So anything when you do, they try to do.
I rock it like a baby in a car. I put the water in the ocean in the city that I'm from.
You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it.
Hi guys, like I am so late right now. I don't know if to give you guys a review. This is like 3 days after the last video. So my current situation, I have content to make for a brand, Abuja Logistics. You must have seen it on my TikTok page. If you follow me on TikTok by now, so I have content to make for them. I'm running late. I'm 30 minutes late. I need to get my light, so I was running late, but I'm on my way there right now. It's the fit. My tripod. Let's go. So this is currently after 5:20 something a.m. and I have a food delivery for today. So I'm going to show you guys my process, not so much of it, but let me show you guys my process. The tray coming together. I have to show you guys the end product when I am done, and I'm running out of time, so let's go.
Let's go. Don't get in a hurry. No, that's too slow. Go ahead and put that thing in. I want you to buy.
I'm sorry. Hi guys, so I just wanted to come in here and end the vlog. I'm currently in the hospital. We just finished working at Asoko District Hospital. So I also attended FOM. is an association that helps teach optometrists all around the world, help to perfect your practice, and it's all around Nigeria. So if you are in Nigeria and you're an optometry student or an optometrist, you should definitely sign up for FOM, just to help build more knowledge. So yeah, I attended the program. I helped my mom's catering company out, and that was it. So you guys, I hope you like this vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. This vlog goes up tomorrow, so if you're seeing it, I'm actually close. I'm no longer lagging behind. So yeah, you guys have an amazing weekend. Subscribe.